everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today I will be making up my beautiful wife here. So watch and enjoy. Thank you. I get a makeup. First of all, we'll draw the eyebrows. Hello viewers, welcome back to the Barber channel. Today, my wife and I will be teaching you how we did the hologram effect. So watch and enjoy.
We basically use the KineMaster app to, the KineMaster editing app to project this hologram from the phone. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. So, go to your KineMaster app, and on the media, you look for the actual video you already recorded. You select, play the video. So this is the video before anything else. So I won't waste the time with this. Okay, that's what that looks like. So I will drag my clip to where I want the hologram to pop up and add layer. Select media, then go to the screen capture. I downloaded like a screen recording app from Play Store to already record what I want to watch, and then it warns you, and this is it right here. I already pre-recorded what I wanted to watch on the hologram. So let's see. So in this case, his hands were going opposite direction, and the app were going to the opposite direction, to the other direction. And I'm gonna click my clip and go to rotate and mirroring. Click on the mirror to turn it to the other way, the opposite way. So that way, when his hands are going, it can go the same direction. Perfect. So now click on that second clip and make it transparent by going to the opacity. You can do your desired choice. Like if you go all the way down, there will be no hologram. And for this, you wouldn't see what I want you to watch. So I always leave mine like 54. So that way I can see both the person and the screen I want him to watch. So yeah, between 53, 54. Or 55. So check that. And then perfect. All right, now let's see. Click on my second clip. I would go to cropping, turn on the max. I would like the shape to be like a phone shape, which is that one. So that way it's like this. All right. And now what next? We will let's add like a little shape under, so it can project the actual projector to project from the phone to the hologram. I'll go ahead and add layers. media background, and I'll take white so I can change the color. Click on the box. Let me just change it to blue over here, it's easier. And I'll scroll down to cropping. Turn on the max. You need to turn on the max so you can easily change the shape of whatever you just added, whatever layers you just added, and also feather it if you want, but we're not doing feathers. So I'll drag this triangle that's inverted and click the check mark. It's time for me to reshape this, like just make it a little bit smaller so I can bring it down here. See, and this is almost better. I use the arrows to resize it. Let me see if that works. Almost. Make it a little bigger and bring it. Yes, does that work? Okay, perfect. Okay, so when we set that shape, go ahead and click on the solid color, go to opacity just to make it a little transparent. Let's say 64, it's fine. Let's do 54. Then click on the solid color and then duplicate it from these 3 dots down here. And one of them, I like them to pause, so go to overall animation so they can be blinking like so. So it's blinking. Now that is that for that. Okay, for the in animation, I want it to pop up. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, I want it to pop up. Where is the pop up? Yeah, pop up like that. And the second one also. Or I could have done it before. I could have done it before duplicating. I want this one to pop up. Good. And that actually includes the hologram itself. I would like the hologram to pop up. So in animation, let it pop up. And then out animation, I would like it to just slide down, scale down, snap down, exit down. I wouldn't want to slide. Should we do snap down and see? Oh yeah, I will do snap down. I'll make all of them out animation snap down. So snap down. Also make this snap down. Out animation snap down. Make it snap down. Now let's play and see. Like so. Good. So I'll go ahead and stretch. I'll drag this yellow part, and in order to stretch the shape up to the end of the hologram, like so, and then go down to the second one, drag it. Or I could have dragged it and then did everything I did. Okay, let's watch. Did it pop out at the same time? Hello everyone.
Welcome back to our channel. Today I will regular material for FDF. So watch and enjoy. Thank you.
I get a makeup.
Draw the eyebrows.
And he clicks on them. Snaps down. Now, did it snap down at once? Perfect. And that is how you make your hologram to project from a cell phone. Making sure that it's also mostly the opacity and all that good stuff. And then you export. I always choose a 1080p and get the highest quality I could get on the with the 30, then export. Don't forget to subscribe.